what's the craziest case you've had in your 30-plus years as a personal injury attorney?
I don't know if I'd say crazy, but I'll say the most difficult. I represented a young man, motorcyclist, and he was involved in an intersection collision where a vehicle turned left in front of him. Sounds pretty simple, right?
Yeah, lethal left.
Well, except guess what? The police cited my client for making an improper turn. There were 2 lay witnesses who were driving cars the same direction as my client was driving his motorcycle, who said he weaved in and out of them and he was going too fast and the crash was his fault.
Oh, wow.
And kind of to my surprise, the judge let them testify their opinions as to my client's fault. And then to make matters worse, the guy that turned left in front of him, he was just coming from a Bible study class.
Oh, no.
And he said the light for the motorcyclist was red and the light that he had was green. So we had our work cut out for us, but through, for example, going to the city office that's in charge of the lighting systems and a number of other methods we undertook, we were eventually able to undercut all of that testimony, show that the light for my client was actually green, that the light had changed for the driver that turned left in front of him. The other driver was trying to cut a quick corner. He never even saw the motorcyclist, by the way, until it was like 10 feet away from him.
Oh, wow.
His eyes, I'm convinced, were just drawn to those 2 ladies further back that testified it was all my client's fault. But he just turned right in front of the motorcycle and was in a hurry and caused the crash. And fortunately, despite all that horrible, terrible, very bad evidence, we were able to show the jury logically what really happened, and they did see through it and entered a nice 6-figure verdict for my client.
Nice. Turns out even if you're coming from church, sometimes you may tell a little bit of a lie.
It happens, believe it or not.
Thank you for joining us. If you found this information valuable, make sure to click the subscribe button below and tune in next week.